This tally add-on will display last sale rate of selected party during sale bill entry. First, we enable this add-on from TDLs and add-ons. Now, we're going to create a sale voucher. During sale voucher entry, after selection of item tally asked to choose rate. User can select rate from here. After selection of desired rate tally auto insert that rate in rate field. If you want to enter rate manually, you can just press Alt plus arrow manual button. Now you can enter the rate manually. For demo, kindly call on below numbers.